Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of easy weight loss programs. Brief overview, we'll be reviewing some of the top-rated programs that claim to make weight loss simple and effective. Purpose of the video, our goal is to provide you with real user reviews and insights so you can choose the best program for your weight loss journey. Section 1 Program 1 Review Program Introduction. Start with Program 1. Introduce the program, its main principles, and how it claims to help with weight loss. Real user review. Share a real user's experience with Program 1. Discuss the results, challenges faced, and overall satisfaction. Pros and cons. Highlight the pros and cons based on user feedback and expert analysis. Section 2 Program to Review. Move on to Program 2. Describe what this program entails and its unique approach to weight loss. Real user review. Present another user's experience with Program 2. Include details on their progress, any setbacks, and their final outcome. Comparison. Compare Program 2 with Program 1 in terms of effectiveness, ease of use, and overall user satisfaction. Section 3 Program 3 Review. Program Introduction. Introduce Program 3. Explain why it's considered one of the top easy weight loss programs. Real user review. Share a third user's journey with Program 3. Discuss how this program helped them achieve their weight loss goals and any tips they have for success. Expert insight. Provide expert commentary on Program 3's approach, its scientific basis is applicable, and its suitability for different lifestyles. Conclusion. Summary. Recap the key points from each reviewed program. Final thoughts. Offer concluding remarks on which program might be best suited for different individuals based on their preferences and goals. Call to action. Encourage viewers to like, subscribe, and comment with their own experiences or questions. Outro. Closing statement. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to more information and resources mentioned in this video. Channel promotion. Mention upcoming videos or series related to health and wellness that viewers might find helpful.